Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Some of the biggest time savings you can find in these settings. So we're going to go up to Review, go to Preferences, and we're going to look at some different settings in here and how they might save you some time. Next, we'll go down to Window on the left, and we're going to go to Tablet on the top. This is another highlighting one, Enable Text Highlighting. So first, I'm going to show you an issue that comes up a lot, and then I'll show you what this tool here does. So I'm going to say, okay. A lot of times what happens when you're in a congested area of the drawings and you go to highlight something, when you go and highlight it, it blinks and actually highlights everything except for the one that you wanted to highlight. So I'm going to go up and undo that. Undo. And then I'm going to go back to that setting and show you under Tablet, Enable Text Highlighting. So if you don't want it to actually grab the text and you just want to do a freehand highlighter over it, you can turn this off to enable highlighting. If I turn that off, I'm going to say OK, grab my highlighter again, and now you'll see it's not trying to grab that text. I can just come in and draw a line with my highlighter. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.